Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to toggle between noise cancellation and transparency mode using just a single shortcut. So you can press the action button to toggle between them. Normally, you would need two separate shortcuts because the default actions only let you set a specific mode. I'm currently using iPadOS 26.2.1, but this works exactly the same on iOS 26.2.1. Let's get started. In the Shortcuts app, search for Get File from Folder. You need to give this file a name ending in .txt. I'm using noisecontrolstate.txt, but you can use whatever you want. Just make sure the spelling is consistent later on. Finally, expand the options and turn off Error if not found. Now add an if action. Make sure you tap the variable and change the type to text. Then set the condition to is on. After that, find the Set Noise Control Mode action, pick your headphones, and set them to transparency. Now, search for the text action and type off. Then, add the Save File action right below it. It should automatically be set to save the text from above. Tap the arrow to expand the options. Turn off Ask where to save, and turn on Overwrite if file exists. Finally, in the destination path, type exactly the same text file name you used at the beginning. Now do the same thing under the Otherwise section. Just make sure to set the mode to noise cancellation and change the text to on. Add the Save File action and we're almost finished. Finally, run the shortcut. You might need to run it twice to get it started. When the privacy prompt pops up asking to allow noise control to save a file, make sure to tap Always Allow. And there you go. You can now assign this shortcut to your action button so you don't have to reach up and press your AirPods to switch modes. If you liked this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. If you want to see more shortcuts tutorials, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.